Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Yeah, Ethereum continues to hold micro support, but it's getting tested right now, this support level there. And while the price formed one more high as I wanted to see it, it has not yet reached let's say the Fibonacci zone up there, which would be ideal. And I would like the market to test sort of the March highs. That would be ideal, sort of around 4,090, 4,100 before starting a deeper pullback. But of course, if the market gives us a signal, then we have to respect that signal. At the moment, I'm just highlighting here that we are looking at some selling pressure. We look at some selling pressure right now, and if we dip below 3,758, then it will become much more likely that we have already completed circle wave 3 in the bullish count. So we have obviously, as I explained in the last video, 3 waves up. And surely, the third wave could have topped here, but it would look better with one more high. I did explain, however, that here, this is a bit ambiguous. So, the microstructure doesn't give me much confidence because there are different ways of interpreting the low formation here. These double bottoms are always ambiguous. So still though, as long as we're holding micro support 3,758, I would prefer one more high at least, okay? That would be either within circle wave 3 in yellow, which is the bullish structure, or within the white B wave. A B wave can top any time. That's the white scenario, which is short-term bearish. A wave down, B wave up, but even the B wave could get one more high, and then a C wave down back into the area of the April and May lows. But to really favor the white count, it also takes not only a break below the upper support region, which is 3,758, also a break below the lower support region at 3,209. Why is that? Well, that's the case because as long as we're holding the lower support region here, it could be the yellow wave 4 that's still unfolding. Right. At the moment, it looks more and more as if this wave 4 is already unfolding, but I won't, let's say, favor it as long as the market hasn't given me an objective reason for it, which would be a break below support. So yeah, hopefully that's clear. For really a confirmation that all of the larger wave 4 has bottomed on the 13th of April there, it takes a rally in 5 waves, and we only have 3 at the moment, and the third maybe not even completed. But it takes 5 waves up, yeah. So I would like to see if we don't push a little higher from here, well then at least after one more higher low, another higher high in circle wave 5. Where this exactly could go can be determined more precisely once the 4th wave has bottomed, okay, as we know where the 4th wave might go. At the moment, this is very speculative because I don't even have a top in place in wave 3. So I don't even know if this support area, which is defined based on the length of the wave 3, if this is actually relevant. So still focusing on higher, it might be that we get one more high, that's preferred. If we don't get one more high, then ideally in this support region, we will find support. If not in this one, then we'll drop into the lower one, which is defined between 2,896 and 2,668 in a still unfolding larger degree 4th wave that in the yellow count presumably bottomed on the 13th of April. But all of these scenarios are part of an overall bullish structure. The only question is how much space does the price need to the downside? And we have some very clear levels to watch. So far, good performance in the last few days on the ETH chart, but I warned you that it looks very much B wave like. So A wave down, B wave rally, C wave down. But I still decided to give the bulls the benefit of the doubt as long as we're holding above the 3,209 level. Okay, below that, obviously it's white wave C, but then it might just make a marginally lower low because the B wave is so high. And an A wave and the C wave tend to have the same length. But unfortunately, there isn't much new stuff to report here for you. So it was just a bit of an intraday update. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.